Alright, there's 3 lenses to be cleaned on the Versa laser system. One is towards the front, one arm is towards the side, and there's one in the back. Well, it's definitely hard to do this one-handed. Yeah, just be careful for the lenses. They're about 500 bucks a piece. And just make sure that you don't forget this one over here. If you don't, it will definitely affect the performance of the Versa laser. Well, try to get a dab on the Q-tip. Well, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's going to be pretty damn hard, but we'll try. Always try to draw circles and put very little force onto the lens itself, just enough to clean it. Just draw a circle, go in circles. Best way to clean it. Same thing with this lens and the one that follows. Draw circles. If the lens is not clear, after it dries, continue and then repeat until it's clear. Don't forget to clean the bottom lens on this one and then the one over there.